Hello everyone, this is Phoenix from Patrick Cadillac, and today is a big day. I've been blessed enough to have the privilege to go over our 2026 Cadillac CT5 Blackwing. Without further ado, let's just jump right into this. Okay, so the 2026 CT5-V Blackwing, what you're looking at now is our deep space metallic with jet black interior. Now this car is rear wheel drive. This includes a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 engine and a 6-speed manual. This is going to push up to 668 horsepower. Now jumping inside, this is going to come with a suede microfiber wrap trim package, along with full carbon fiber package as well. Those seats also are custom quilted with carbon fiber seat backing. Looking up, you're going to get the Ultra View sunroof, and on screen you're going to get full Google integration and customization, making this the most competitive high-performance luxury sports sedans in the market. Alrighty, and there you have it. Truly thankful again to be able to go over the CT5 Blackwing with you guys. Of course, if you have any questions or need anything, feel free to stop by at Patrick Cadillac at 526 Mall Drive over here in Schaumburg, Illinois. We'll be seeing you.